represents the whole family. I only wish Will's mom would be here because she knew those down the road with fire. But let's see, Susan, would you grace us with just one outrageous story?
Hi, I wish I had an outrageous story to tell you, but I don't really. Uncle Will, I do have outrageous stories to tell you. But I'm too embarrassed to tell them, so I won't. But as Marilyn was saying, if you've seen him in, hopefully if you haven't seen him in his hat, you'll be able to see him in the hat. You can get him in a hat with his ukulele. You're right in there. And I'll let you guys ask him to play your favorite number, but I have to go right to the toast too and just say that it's so wonderful to come here, and I, myself, my brother, the rest of my family, all know how much we love Uncle Will, and I always hear how much everybody else loves him, and it's so obvious from everybody who's here right now, so before I get too teary-eyed, anyway, congratulations, and we love you.
Yeah, we'd like to hear just a few words from the babysitter.